Hello viewers, thanks for tuning in. JR and Tristan here. We're on our way up to Jackfish Lake. We're gonna do an overnight camp out in the ice shack. So hopefully catch some fish. So stay tuned, we'll bring you along for the ride.
Meep. Meep. Oh, you're funny.
That's going in the video, you know.
Oh, sure, right? Rocking.
I can't walk in this shit. Fuck, is it slushy?
Slushy.
It's pretty warm out. The sun is peeking out now too finally. It's gonna be a good day.
Get it all. 2 trips
One
are
load?
for pussies.
Gotta get those PBRs in there.
We're gonna have to.
We're sitting up about a foot too. Okay, ice shack staple out here at Jackfish. We got the bacon wrapped scallops. Shack's warming up, holes are drilled. Where'd Tristan go? What do you got there, bud?
I found tape.
Oh, they just left that out there?
Tape's useful. That's that thing that was flashing in the sun.
Oh, shit.
It's tape.
Lines in the water. Fire's nice and hot. How's the fishing, bro?
Yeah.
No bites yet? Or a bite and a half, maybe.
Couple bites on your end.
We'll keep at her. Nice and toasty. Meal number 2. Oh, they're burning already. Shit! Too hot. Too fucking hot. Too hot. Well, I didn't think it'd be that hot yet. Maybe I should take those off. What do you think?
Whoa, buddy. Whoa, yeah. 2 hands.
Okay. Pan on the pan. Should prevent the burning. Fire's pretty hot. I loaded it up.
Another pan on top of the other pan and just keep.
Well, we gotta limit the pans, man. This will work. Okay, we'll get them going. I didn't mean to burn them. All right, so I kind of seared the pizza pops a little bit off the get-go because they're that fire's pretty hot. So we put this other pan under there, and it's a good buffer. So I think they're cooked. We're gonna take them off, give them a go. Pretty good. What do you think?
Pretty decent, bro.
Tasty. Cook your pizza pops on the fire. They're the best.
Give them a good sear
Yeah.
first.
Yeah.
Just sear it a bit, and then slow cook it, like the double pan.
Yeah, it's gotta be done.
Springtime fish.
Billy P, what's going on, bro? Hanging out here in the shack.
Hey, buddy, how's it going?
Got T-Dog. Just cooked up meal here. We're sipping. Not catching fuck all yet, but who knows? We'll see what happens. Planning to stay in the night. For fuck's sake.
Billy
Jesus.
P. Oh, the Christmas Billy P.
All right. Meal number
3?
I forget. All right. Sausage going. Another Ice Shack staple. You know how it goes. I'm gonna get this going. Keep you posted. All right, we got the sausage, the onion, barbecue sauce, the bun, cooked up right here on the fire. Let's give it a go.
Pretty calm out now, man.
What you thinking about right now?
Whether the fish are gonna bite,
I know, right?
and how much of them I want to eat.
It's been pretty slow so far.
No, I don't think they're.
I don't know. I've heard from
But
other
I'm the
people too.
I'm
that-
the pessimist of the group.
Well, yeah, some people have been saying they're just not biting right now. So
That's just the way it
I
is.
really don't.
Someone else had set me up with a phone actually. It was kind of cool. This other guy, another fan of the video.
What you figure, bud?
Fans dotted around Canada.
Perfect. in
We're
here,
set
man.
up here now.
Perfect.
So told me that I was on the train heading to his town, so he went down to the bridge so he could see it.
All right.
8 o'clock in the morning. I slept really well last night, and I'm not being sarcastic. I really did.
Camping with Tristan and JR in the Ice Shack. Here we are. It's pretty cozy. What do you think?
Too hot here, rib.
Yeah, it's almost too warm. Fucking barefoot and shit. Drying out all our stuff. Fire going. Camping with Steve going. Yeah, good time. Good morning, folks. Here we are. Nice shack. How'd you sleep, bud?
Pretty decent.
Right on. It's a beautiful morning. Word has it there's a snowstorm coming. So we'll see if that's the case. But for now, I'm just gonna wait it out a little longer in the shack, get some breakfast going. Alright, got some onions fried up here. What I do. How is it, dude?
Very good. Wizard.
Well, that's a wrap. We did it.
Did it.
Time to head out.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah, mission accomplished. Any suggestions for next time? Recommendations?
Fishing spots.
Yeah, we should change it up. We didn't catch anything
Yeah,
here.
didn't catch a thing.
Maybe a bite or a nibble or whatever you call it. But
We had too much food anyway.
yeah,
It's all good.
yeah, it was good. We ate a lot of food, so we'll do it again. We'll be back. It's flooding a little bit, but
Jackfish, where's my fishes at?
we're plenty high, I think, for now, and we'll be back. Thanks for watching.